Hi everyone, I'm Brandi Bragg, the Workforce Connector for NENC Career Pathways, powered by Northeastern, Rivers East, and Turning Point Workforce Development Boards. Today, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to draft a professional press release for the Northeastern Workforce Development Board. This press release highlights our recent Silver Telly Award for the Waves of Opportunity NC recruitment video. Let's dive in. First, I started by providing ChatGPT with the necessary background information. I uploaded two key documents, the generic Waves of Opportunity press release and the Eye Candy digital video press release. I began by setting the stage for ChatGPT, asking it to act as a workforce development professional. After providing the basic information, I encouraged asking me any questions needed for clarity. I must have done a good job at providing information, though, because it had no questions. These documents contained all the essential details about the project, the award, and the partners involved. ChatGPT quickly analyzed the information and drafted a comprehensive press release. It included key elements like the award details, project background, and quotes from relevant stakeholders. With these updates, ChatGPT produced a polished press release ready for distribution. Here's the final version. As you can see, tasks that used to take hours to complete can now take mere minutes. In this case, I didn't need to ask ChatGPT to make a lot of changes, only a couple. There are times that you need to spend more time giving ChatGPT the correct information to get to the final product that you want. But just play around with it. Don't be afraid of it. You can't break it. Until next time.